Okay, so you're looking to cancel an appointment on Setmore. Huh? Well, I'm here to help. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's get this straight. I'm not a Setmore expert. I'm just a large language model, so I'm going to give you some general information and resources. How to cancel an appointment on Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the My Schedule tab. Find the appointment you want to cancel. Click on the Cancel button. Confirm that you want to cancel the appointment. Additional tips. You can also cancel an appointment by clicking on the pencil icon next to the appointment and then selecting Cancel. If you need to cancel an appointment that you booked for someone else, you will need to log in to their Setmore account. You can cancel an appointment up to 24 hours before the appointment is scheduled. If you cancel an appointment less than 24 hours before the appointment is scheduled, you may be charged a cancellation fee. Where to find more information? If you have any questions or problems, you can contact Setmore support. Canceling an appointment on Setmore is easy. Just follow the steps above and you'll be good to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. P.S. If you're looking for more tips on how to use Setmore, be sure to check out my other videos.